I'm sure you've seen the Transformer movies. These are Transformer bags. Yeah, it is a very functional, useful bag for anybody and everybody. I'm going to open this zipper to give you guys a visual. So this is a reversible zipper. It is a reversible zipper. And when you open this reversible zipper, you put this upside down and you get the zipper back to pack this. This bag basically opens to a backpack arrangement. It's got two straps. It takes a great shape and size, and it's great for kids, great for adults, and basically the straps are even good for a 6-feeder. It takes a shape and size. That's the same bag when loaded. So that's our collapsible backpack idea. And when empty, all you got to do is get this outside pocket zipper open, and all we got to do is pack this into this pocket with this reversible zipper. As simple as that. So this is a collapsible backpack, works for anybody and everybody, and a super gift for anybody you know. If you like our products and want more such products and more information, please visit our website, and we'll see you around in one of the next Earth rotations.